you're ever in a meeting where some background noise is causing some kind of disruption, like a dog barking or a kid crying, something like that, Microsoft Teams actually has a feature that's really helpful called the Mute All feature. And that means that any Cerner associate can actually mute all other participants except for themselves with the click of one button. Let's take a look at how to do that in this test meeting. So I've got a meeting here that's got several people invited to it. Say that I'm the presenter and I'm the only one who should be talking right now, and we can't figure out who's making that noise. The way we can see who has that background noise is by clicking the Show Participants button right here at the bottom. When we click that, a window will slide out from the right side and it will show everyone who is in the call. And you can see that that person is talking or not talking based on the little colored ring around their face here. So you can see that I'm talking, but every once in a while, one of these EUC test guest accounts will get a little ring around it because there's some kind of background noise happening on their end. Now, if I want to cut through that distraction and mute all of those participants, I can do that simply up here at the top by clicking the Mute All button. If I click Mute All, now everyone except for my account, my admin account right here, are muted, and that's indicated by the little crossed out microphone right here next to their name. Now, I can't unmute a participant, so that's important to note that as a Cerner associate, I have the ability to mute everyone, but I can't unmute them for privacy reasons. One thing that you'll note if you do expect somebody else to start talking is to tell them that they are muted and they can unmute themselves at the bottom. If they are on the phone only, then whenever you mute them, they'll simply press *6 on their phone and that will unmute them inside of the Teams application. Another little bonus tip here as I mute my phone is that if you are muted, there's some intelligence built into the Microsoft Teams app that lets you know this helpful little tip right here that says your microphone is muted. So if you start talking and you're looking at your computer and you would expect to see your little ring light up, it will give you this little helpful tip that tells you that your microphone is muted so that you can unmute it and then everyone can hear you.